Righty guys, I'm gonna make you guys a profitable Facebook ad in less than 10 minutes, okay? Now I know that's a big claim, but watch me work, okay? Now the reason why I'm doing this is because I feel like one of my buddies has gotten kind of gypped for what he paid for. He had to pay half of his earnings to a marketing company that was bringing him customers, but I'm gonna teach you guys how to do it for yourself. Make it easy, even if you're not a tech guy. I'm not a tech guy. I'm a personal trainer and a strength coach myself, so I understand like how difficult it is for us to be like, oh, dude, we're not techie, dude. How are we supposed to make this stuff work? So I'm gonna teach you guys how to make it work. Check this out. All right. So your page looks like this, right? This is gonna see some ads right there and all that cool stuff. But what you're gonna see, sorry, my face is in the way. You're gonna see this little drop down menu right here. You're gonna go right there and my thing would go take a long time. So what you're gonna go is create ads. It's gonna take you straight to the ads manager. Let's do this, baby. Let's do it. Hope y'all excited about this stuff, man. It works. It works. Yeah, I was getting leads for my own personal training thing for about $1 just doing this. And in the next video, I'm going to show you guys like what's the next steps after do the Facebook ad. Because once you put up a Facebook ad, what do, right? And just for you guys right now, just go to traffic, okay? I'm assuming that you guys never ran ads before, or I'm assuming you're very new to it, very green to it. So use the one that says traffic. Click on it. You can name it later, but we're gonna go through it. Okay, you're gonna name it later. You can name it there. Nobody will see that name besides you. Okay, traffic. Come on, come on. Go a little faster. Go a little faster. All right. Okay, okay. Leave nothing else changes. Nothing else changes. Now, let's just say, for example, you're going to be in a certain area. We want to put like Harlingen, Texas, right? Right there, perfect. Gotcha. See, 25 miles. No, I want to have people within about 10 miles of me. 15 miles maybe. Okay, and then you'll see the potential reach, 15,000. That's all right. And I want buyers, so I want someone that's 25, 24 to about 55. And for this particular ad, I'm going to run for women because I want women to show up. And then I'm going to go like, let's say you're at a gym. I'm going to tag Gold's Gym right now. Gold's. I'm going to look for Gold's Gym. Boom, perfect. Okay, everyone interested in Gold's Gym, Anytime World Fitness, 24-hour fitness, Lifetime Fitness, and I'm just stacking them. I need to get as big of an audience as possible because it's so close to home. And then I'm gonna go, let's say you're a CrossFit type studio, go for it. Go for it. Knock it out. There you go. CrossFit training, stuff like that. High intensity interval training, Equinox, Group Fitness. You see the people are getting up there. We're gonna go for as many people as possible, okay? We're gonna try to get as many people to see this as possible that are interested in fitness, muscle and fitness, um, physical wellness, health and wellness, behaviors, fitness. See, this is a good one. Fitness and behaviors. As a behavior, we're gonna go from there. 12,000. Okay. All right. Daily budget, I would say about $5, and then just kind of see how many people you get on there. You can put $20. The more you're willing to spend, hey, the more you're gonna get the customer. You're gonna get in front of your customer. And if you're willing to spend more than your competitor to get that client, hey, I guarantee you're going to win every single time. Okay? And if you want to change how much the bid, because if you enter a manual bid right there, this will have to change. But also, Facebook would basically like you better than your competitor if you're willing to spend more to get the client. You can change this as well later. You don't have to change it now. Format, then what you're going to do is you're going to go in there and get an image that you have of your facility or you and your coworkers working out, or just kind of like a video of something you have, and let's just use this. Don't use stock images. Do not use stock images. You guys should have people there, okay? And this is the other page that I have. Okay. See right here, this is where you're going to get to choose your page. Okay, that's not my page. That's the one I use for this. Okay, I know I'm going a little fast, guys, but I want to make this all good for you. Okay, Here we go. Here we go. All right, we're looking for my ads. Page images. You know what? We will just use. Don't use these pictures. Do not use these type of pictures. Guarantee it. You will not get anybody to sign up. Okay, so I'm just putting it for right now because I can't find my other ones. Oh, look, look, hold on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Give me a second. All right, where the in the world? All right, upload image. Okay. Let's just see where they are. Where's my picture? Anyways, I'm not gonna go for the picture, guys. The picture is a big deal, but not right now. Okay, I'm gonna go more for what you're gonna say in it. Okay, here we go. We're gonna take them to a website, and we'll put the website later. Actually, you know what? We'll go in there. Tapia Fitness. Tapia Fitness. This is my website.com/live. And then we're going to just put this right now. We're just going to put this right now. We're going to change it. Yours is going to be different. I'm going to show you in the next video what you're going to use. And I kind of use mine as an example. Okay. And you're going to put it right there. Okay. You're going to copy. I know I'm going a little fast. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy this. Control copy if you're on Mac, or copy. And then you're going to go paste. Okay. And that's it, guys, right there. Heading. You can go. Okay, and then you can go like this right here. This is the text. Okay, the headline. Okay, and then right here I'm going to go attention. Okay, and then we're going to put And so right now I'm kind of just what I'm doing is they must want to feel this because it's going to pre-frame them like they already know what they want, and I'm just telling them what they want and they have to fit this criteria. Okay, so must want to lose 2 to 3 dress sizes, must um, see, we haven't even pre-qualified them yet, guys, so don't even worry about it. You know, I'm teaching you along the way how you're going to do this, but as right now, this is how you're going to do it. Okay, you're going to change the image, you know, make it, I think it's like 1,000 by 1,200 by 628. Make sure it looks like that so it doesn't look all clumped up like that. Okay, and need to feel motivated, right? Right? Because this is all the things that they deal with. They don't have. They want to lose the weight. They want to feel more energy. Like who doesn't want to feel more energy? You know what I mean? You're just kind of giving them that pre-frame to that. But anyways, that's what you're gonna do. And then you bring it back, fly, and then boom. See, and then the next step, I'm gonna show you guys like what we're gonna do, what the exact place we're gonna take them to. Okay, so that's doing the Facebook ad in less than 10 minutes, guys. I know it took a little bit longer, but that's it. Well, stay tuned for the next video. So we're gonna teach you guys what to do from here to the next step, to the next step, to the next step, all the way to the sale, and save you monies, make you monies. Peace.